a common man, a teacher by profession, is accused of being the murderer of 18 girls. This is just because of his greed for money, gold, and girls. Mohan Kumar alias Anand is a resident of Cyanide, in Bantul Taluk, near Mangalore. Mohan never did anything that could have evoked the suspicion to his neighbors over the past 5 years. Even his 2 wives were unaware of his being a killer until his arrest. Mohan Kumar had married thrice, and divorced his first wife, who was from Cyanide, and the second and third wives live in separate houses, one at Derolakat, and other one at Uppala in Kasaragod district. Mohan has 2 boys by his second wife, studying in classes 7 and 3rd, respectively, while the third wife has a daughter aged 3, and a son who is 10 months old. He was a physical education teacher in Cyanide. He joined the service in 1980, on a temporary basis. After being sacked in 2003, Kumar allegedly hit upon the idea of luring young women, having sex with them, killing them and robbing them of their valuables for quick money. Mohan Kumar's horrific tale of crime is similar to Malika aka Cyanide Malika alias Kempamu alias Jayama, who poisoned over 10 women and robbed them of their valuables. Malika, who started her crime spree in October 1999, was finally caught by the Bangalore police on December 30, 2007, while she was trying to sell stolen jewelry. Her modus operandi was to trap women in distress, and take them to temples and lace their food with cyanide. After killing the women, she would decamp with their jewelry. All her victims were found in temples, while Kumar would also allegedly lure his victims to temples at major cities like Bangalore and Mysore. Malika began her killing spree after incurring a huge loss in the chit fund business and also separating from her husband. Kumar's criminal career is said to have begun in 2000, when he tried to throw a girl, who refused to marry him, into the Nethravati River. A witness called the police and he was detained on attempted murder charges. Though he was released on bail, the criminal offense lost him his school job. In 2003, he began his alleged serial killing spree. Mohan Kumar, a 50-year-old, physical education teacher who allegedly became a serial killer, was caught by the Mangalore police for killing 18 women and robbing them of jewelry. The police stumbled upon him while investigating the case of Anitha, who went missing from her hometown Bantul in Mangalore district on June 17. Anitha was Kumar's 18th victim. Kumar would first befriend girls with the line, "Do I know you? I have seen you somewhere." Mohan Kumar was picking up his victims with excessive care, is evident from the fact that most of his victims were from the low socioeconomic background, and were in the age group of late 20s and early 30s. A glib talker, Mohan zeroed in on the victims in public places, and charmed his way into their hearts with the promise of marriage without dowry. If the girl responded positively, Kumar would introduce himself and befriend her, posing as an eligible bachelor. After a couple of meetings, he would propose and persuade the girl to elope with him to a nearby town. He would then spend a night with the girl in a lodge, promising to marry her at a temple the next day, and before leaving the lodge, he used to ask the girls to remove the jewelry and all other valuables. Next, Kumar would take the girl to a nearby bus stand and make her take 2 cyanide pills, claiming that they were contraceptive pills. He would warn the girls that they were likely to vomit after consuming the pills, and so it would be no better if they swallowed the pills in the washroom of the bus stand. The women would take the tablets, and within minutes drop dead. He would then flee from there, taking gold valuables from them. 10 of the murders took place at Mysore bus stand, 3 at Madikeri bus stand, 2 at Hassan bus stand, 2 at Bangalore bus stand and 1 at Kola temple in Udupi district. On finding the bodies, the local police would invariably register it as a suicide due to a love affair gone awry. But when the Bantul police probed his link with Anitha, he was arrested. Former primary school teacher Mohan Kumar, who allegedly poisoned 20 young women to death, using cyanide between 2003 and 2009, was convicted in a 3 case Wednesday. He had been convicted in 2 cases Tuesday. The 4th in Additional and District Sessions Court in Mangalore, where all victims of Kumar belonged, will pronounce sentences in the cases. The serial killer was convicted of murdering Sundar, a 32-year-old lady, of Solia in Mangalore region. Sundar had disappeared on February 11, 2008, after she left home saying she was going to a temple nearby. She was found dead at the state bus stand in Mysore that night. The Indian High Court had directed the concerned courts that the cases should be heard in a fast-track court. Nowadays Mohan Kumar is in police custody, waiting for the day of his final judgment. Be safe and be cautioned. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel for more thrilling stories. Thank you for watching this video.